Thank you for your inquiry on the 2017 GLA180. We appreciate that purchasing a vehicle sight unseen can be a bit challenging for people, which is why we have put this video together for you. This 5-seater SUV is in excellent condition and features Artico man-made leather on the interior. Behind the steering wheel are shift paddles, and looking through the steering wheel, the instrument cluster with silver-coloured sport-style instruments and red needles stands out. Effortlessly control phone calls with steering wheel buttons. The Eco Start-Stop function can easily be turned on or off. The 8-inch colour display monitor allows seamless transition between navigation, radio, media, connected phones and vehicle information. The GLA180 features 18-inch alloy wheels. The boot can be opened and closed at the touch of a button. If you would like more information on the GLA180, please contact us on 08 8723 8881.